want to research your topic online and submit your work tomorrow.
Hey ma'am, I can start right away. I have my laptop, fast Wi-Fi, and a quiet place to study.
Can I ask for more time? I don't have a stable internet at home and I have to share our only phone with my brothers and sisters.
I understand, Mark, but the deadline is the same for everyone.
Yes, ma'am, I'll try my best. Oh no! The internet is too slow. I still need to search for information. But my younger brother is also using phone for his school activity.
I already finished mine. It only took a few minutes because I had fast internet and my own laptop.
For me, even downloading one file takes a long time. Sometimes I can't even work on the classes properly.
Now I can see that although I gave everyone the same assignment, not everyone has the same opportunity to complete it. This is an example of the digital divide. It happens when some people have easy access to technology and the internet while others do not. So what can we do about it? The government can provide affordable internet, improve internet infrastructure, and create free public Wi-Fi areas. Schools can also help by providing computer laboratories, allowing students to borrow devices and giving alternative activities to students without internet access. And the community can create shared learning centers where students can use computers and internet for free or at a low cost.
That would really help students like me. We just need the same chance to learn.
I agree, having a technology makes studying easier, but not everyone has the same access.
Technology helps students learn, not become a reason why some students are left behind. If government, school, and communities work together, we can reduce digital divide.
Equal education means giving students equal opportunities, even their situation are different.
Become access to technology should not decide to get to succeed. Bridge the digital divide. Give every student a chance to learn.
The main problem is the digital divide, where some students have better access to technology and internet than others. So, technology can contribute to the problem because students who lack reliable internet, devices, or digital resources may struggle to communicate with teachers, access learning materials, and complete online activities.
So, an internet outage or disruption affects everyday users, business, banking system, emergency service, and vital public infrastructure all the same time. Impact individual users. People lost access to web browsing, social media, apps like Facebook and Instagram, streaming platforms, and personal email. Something good can start or be presented. Something bad can end or be taken away.
Responsible digital citizens should use technology wisely, respect others, protect their personal information, verify information before sharing, and avoid spreading fake news or harmful content.
We recommend that governments, schools, and communities work together by providing free Wi-Fi, computer laboratories, affordable internet, and devices that students can borrow. Schools can also provide offline alternatives for students without internet.